Hey guys, in today's video we will discuss how to manage returns on Depop. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. There are a few acceptable reasons for returning an item and getting a refund if the item you receive significantly fails to match the description in the product listing, if the item you received was damaged, or if you never received the item at all. If you paid through PayPal, open a dispute by logging into your PayPal account and initiating a dispute for any of these acceptable reasons. If you use Depop payments, go to the app, tap the profile icon, navigate to Settings, then to the Need Help section, select Buying, go to My Purchases, find your purchase, and select a reason for the return. Next, upload proof of the item's authenticity or condition. PayPal or Depop will review and accept your claim, and they will provide you with the seller's address. Use track mail to ship the item back to the seller, and make sure to preserve evidence of having shipped the item. Ensure that your return claim is made within 180 days from the purchase date. When dealing with individual sellers on Depop, keep in mind that they are not obligated to accept returns. If you did not receive the item, if it is damaged, or if it fails to match the description, contact the seller directly and negotiate for a return and refund. If needed, contact the Depop support team at depop.help.zendesk.com and request assistance. The link is in the description. And that's how to manage returns on Depop. It is that simple. Thanks for watching.